start up, so he'll put his 15,500 litre drop in, and then the RJ behind that, which will tag on and extend to that load. All of these aircraft are capable of notable drops. There you see the smoke pop by the turbo commander, the bird dog. The Herc's lining up.
Ops on board, set to go, water drop coming to the designated fire area.
And so he's lined up ready to go. He'll be armed, and there he goes. So this will string this out a fair way. You'll see this at a coverage level 4. Gives you an idea of how this supports ground firefighters either on the head or the flank of a fire. And I've got to tell you, when our aircraft and many of our fleet turn up in the state, the ground firefighters are certainly very appreciative of that. The RJ now will follow up behind the Herc. He'll have wings level, he's ready to go, he knows where to drop, the doors are armed, press the button and away we go. So we do carry retardant, but the retardant is such that it's able to be carried in the aircraft without any worries. And the retardant's used to actually do what's called indirect attack. So it pokes the fuels out the fire burns up to that, out the door in 15 minutes, but they will be there, they'll be ready to go. But if you do see them going, they're off to a fire to protect the community or help some firefighters on the ground.
Thank you, Wayne. Congrats to you and the emergency services fire people as the C-130 Herc, modified for this purpose, approaches the Avalon runway now. Thanks a lot, Wayne. What a marvellous display. What about a warm round of applause for the emergency services people that are helping to keep our state safe when it comes to fire. And we're a long way from safe.